Welcome to the Alpha Training and Consulting's online training program. Today we're going to discuss what is percent gauge R and R. So we talked about gauge R and R in the past. Today we're going to go over percent gauge R and R, which is a slightly different concept. Remember, we do prepare students for ASQ certification exams. We've been doing it for 20 years. We've become very good at it, and we'd love to have you as a student. All right, let's get back to the question. What is percent gauge R and R? So let's go to the whiteboard and I'll explain that in great detail. All right, so here we are at the whiteboard, and let me explain what percent gauge R and R is. Okay, so we have this sigma, or this distribution of the process. As you'll recall, sigma of the process includes what? Sigma of the parts plus sigma of the measurement system, right? So this is sigma of the process, this would be. And then within this, you already know this, we've talked about this earlier, we have this other distribution, which is sigma of the measurement system. So there we go, we have sigma of the measurement system, and we also have sigma of the process. Sigma of the process, not the parts, but of the process. Now, what is percent gauge R and R then? Here it is, right here. Percent gauge R and R equals, let me get the right color here, sigma of measurement, or gauge R and R as some people call it. I call it sigma of measurement myself. Divided by sigma of the process. There you go. And you multiply that by 100%. And that gives you percent gauge R and R. Now, there's a rule on this, per AIAG anyway. To be measurable, you must have 30% or less percent gauge R and R. In other words, the width of this distribution must not be more than 30% of the process distribution. Of course, the lower this is, the happier we are. So we'd rather have 10% than 30%. And so hopefully that's helpful. It's definitely an important thing to understand if you're a quality engineer or a quality professional. All right, hopefully you've learned something today that will help you in your career. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And remember, we have all these websites for all our various ASQ certification prep classes. You may want to put this on hold, write down the address of the website of interest, and you can go to that website. It'll tell you all about that class. That's also where you register for the class and pay for the class. And hopefully we'll see you soon as one of our students. We'd love to serve you in that and serve you in your ASQ certification journey. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.